Hi everyone, so I am on Sizzix.com. This is like the homepage right here. So if you see right when you log on, it takes you to a banner that has the Black Friday sale. So you can go ahead and click on that and then look. Some of the Tim Holtz Christmas stuff is on sale right now, which is amazing. I love me some Tim Holtz. It's still pretty pricey right now, but if you're interested, it's definitely a good way to save some money. Oh, look, their little like all-in-one tool is on sale right now for $45. Ooh, that little Santa's really cute. So lots of good stuff. You guys know me, I like shopping low to high on the prices. Just because, I don't know, it's just my thing. Like, I end up adding stuff to cart that I'm like, oh, I can put this in like some Happy Mail or send it out to a crafty friend. So it's really nice when you can shop and pick up things for a couple of dollars. See, look, there's like a pack of cards for $1.50. Let's see. There's some transfer sheets. I don't know what those are for. We have embossing powder for $1.50. The little flower centers are $2.50. I know they have dies in here that are like $3. I had seen them earlier when I was cruising around. Like embossing folders. Oh, look, I want this one right here. It's a little embossing folder that cuts the little like teddy stocking. That's only $3. These embossing folders are $3. So there's a ton of stuff. All these 3D embossing folders are $3 or $6.99. So a ton of stuff there. And then the other option that you can do is you can go, let me see. I thought I had seen a clearance section. Let me see if I can find it. Hold on. Okay, can't find the clearance. I swore that there was one, but I could be confused. I've been looking at so many different websites. But yeah, Sizzix is having a Black Friday sale in case you're interested in shopping. You can also shop like by category right here, by brand, by theme, by designer. So you could go straight down to Tim Holtz right here because he's one of my favorites. And then it'll take you right here. And then again, I like going low to high. And then it'll rearrange all of that for you right there. So definitely a lot of different options here to go ahead and look at. Ooh, look at the 3D embossing rose folder. It's only $3. I wish I could remember where the clearance section was. Like I said, it probably was a different website. So just scroll through, check them out. And then also let's go check out another company. Hold on. Okay, so we are over at Spellbinder. So they are having a sale right here. You can enter your email address and get an extra discount. But right here, oh, see, here's the clearance. Okay, you guys saw somewhere. So they have Black Friday sales. They have a clearance, and they have doorbuster deals. A lot of stuff. So let's go into the clearance. And let's see. See, look, things for $1, $5, $1. Oh, I clicked on something. Sorry about that. So this is where I saw the clearance. I was so confused for a second. I was like, oh my gosh, I know I saw clearance somewhere. So I was so confused. So yes, Spellbinders is the one that has it. So definitely come and check them out. And again, the same thing. I go low to high, and let's throw all the $1 stuff in the cart. So let's see. Oh, they have like metal charms here. And let's see. World's Greatest Friend. That's cute. That's only $1. You get some sequins, some buttons, paper clips. This die set looks like it should go with a stamp set. Oh, a lot of these. See, a lot of these like shape ones look like they go with a stamp set. So just make sure you have the stamp set if you're going to be buying those. All kinds of stuff. So yes, this is where I definitely need to come back and do some shopping myself. And I think they do free shipping at $75, was it? Sometimes like different things will like flash up here and I'll tell you. I think theirs might be 75, or maybe it was Sizzix, because apparently I keep getting those two confused right now. So yes, definitely come check them out. Oh look, wood pieces are $1. Oh yeah, I definitely need to come back and do some shopping over here. Look, these little like wooden spools. There's some snowflakes. A lot of dies that go with stamps, so just make sure that you get your little stamp that goes with that. So the other place I wanted to show you guys. So I wanted to show you guys Simon Says stamps. And right here, if you put in this coupon code, you get 20% off. And if you like Tim Holtz, he is on here as well. So that's kind of what I was going to go and look at, because I wanted the Christmas sticker book and it was sold out already at Joann's. So I was thinking about coming here to purchase that. My store has been out, like as soon as they got those sticker books, they were gone. So I wasn't able to get any, but yeah, lots of good stuff. Like, see, they have a little card kit, they have stamps, they have dies, they have all kinds of really good stuff. So this is another nice, really option to do some Black Friday shopping on. And if you come over right here to acherryontop.com, right here, as soon as you get to the home page, they have their little Black Friday sale. So you could just go ahead and click on that. If you like a certain collection, they always do pre-orders and they usually give it at a discount if you pre-order it. So that's a nice option to have. So here is just what they got going on. Ooh, grab bags. Look, I'm a sucker for a grab bag. So we have a large one for $30, a medium one, oh, I'm sorry, a large one for $40, a medium one for $30, and then they have a Vicky set for $38. And then there's like little bundles down here. Ooh, I'm gonna have to come back and look at this and pick up some stuff. I'm a sucker for like a mystery bag, so I think I need one of those. Ooh, look, Graphic 45, their little Christmas bundle is $21. Ooh, there's this one with the cozy Graphic 45. Oh, I love that. Okay, yeah, I definitely need to come back and check them out and see what I want to buy from here, because I haven't even looked. Ooh, look, a Happy Planner Disney bundle. I didn't even realize that they sold Happy Planner stuff. Yeah, so come scroll through, check out what they have. Yes, I am going to be all about it. So let's see. It's our biggest sale of the year, 20% off regular price items. And then you just put in Black Friday code. And that's it. So they do charge for shipping. Takes an additional 20% off shipping fees. So yeah, it looks like they have shipping. So yeah, let's click on this large warehouse. I wonder if this is just like a stock photo, or is this like an idea of what you'll be getting? Like you'll be getting these items. Because if we come over to, who is it? Okay, it's Simple Stories. So if we come over to Simple Stories, they have a Christmas box, but it shows you what's in there. They just don't list it out like in the description of it. But this is what you get. And I know that because I've bought their like little Christmas box last year and their Halloween one. And everything that was in the picture is exactly what I got in my box. So this gives you an idea of what's available. I was going to get it because I always get it like every year. But as I was looking at it, I'm like, you know what? I'm trying to be better with my shopping and I don't really need it. Like, there's like a little recipe thing right here. There's some stencils. There's like an ugly sweater, which I never go to an ugly sweater party. And see, there's like another ugly sweater ephemera pack down here. There's washi. I don't need any more washi in my life. I have so much. This ephemera pack right here, I feel like I got it last year. And then over here, it looks like a little recipe card. The stickers are cute. The only thing I really want is like an album. I want to do a December daily this year. So I really, really want an album. I just don't really know if I need all this other stuff. Like right here, like this little numbers, they look like wood. I wouldn't use those. So there's a Oh Holy Night. I know I got that last year. So yeah, I think I'm gonna pass on this, sadly. I was really excited to get it, but it looks like the one, or a lot of the pieces are what I got last year. They do have a sticker pack, which I like. And then they do have just the album book, which I was thinking about getting, but then I'm like, how much is shipping, you know, gonna be just for the album book? And then they have a 6x6 bundle, which I kind of like, that you get a variety of paper. Then they have a bunch of other bundles down here. See, look, here is a Halloween one, and it tells you which collection that it's from. And then there was Disney bundles down here that I was thinking about getting. See, there's different kinds. There's vintage berries, flea market, harvest. Here's hard eyes, a stencil pack. Here's an extra little like bundle pack. Where are the ones that I was looking? Right here. So here is a Say Cheese bundle pack. Then they have like per land, which I really, really like, but then I'm like, oh, I don't know. So there's different lands in like Disneyland. So here is for Adventureland, for Fantasyland. Here's Frontier and Tomorrowland. So I was kind of thinking about getting those, but they're expensive. $34 for each little pack. I wish they just had like all the lands like ephemera and like sticker packs. That I would get over like the paper. Like the paper is not that cute to me, but I like some of the little like ephemera. So I don't know. I'm gonna think about it. I kind of like this vintage little like woodland one. That one's really cute too. Here's a little birthday like embellishment pack. See, this is what I wish they had in the Disney stuff. And then, like, this is really cute because I really like that stencil. So you get stencils and some brads and a washi for $5. I thought that was a pretty good deal. They have, like, pets. So there's, like, cats and dogs over here. Here's a washi bundle if you need some washi. So, yeah, Simple Stories is another really good one to look at. So that's it for today, guys. That's everything that I'm looking at and considering on where to buy. So I hope this helps you guys out. And today is Black Friday, but there's usually deals, especially on they call it like Cyber Monday. It usually lasts until then. So I hope this was helpful. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I hope you guys had tons of turkey and family time, and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.